Hello, this is part 11, Weapon Pickup and Drop. In this video I'm going to show how to do weapon pickup and drop. I'll show the changes I made on BP weapon gun. I added spear collision, this variable pick-upable, this blueprint on each of the guns. I moved the gun underneath the spear. On the player character, disconnected init gun. I added the drop weapon blueprint. I made modifications to the reload animation, and I made modifications to the input action shoot. On the bot, on BP bot base, I added the uncheck pick-upable blueprint. I made modifications to deshoot FX. Under Content, Team TPS, Weapons, double-click BP Weapon Gun. Search for Spear, select Spear Collision. I'm going to name this Spear Gun and compile and save. Double click BP Weapon Assault Rifle. Drag this gun under the spear, compile and save. Double click BP Weapon Shotgun. Drag this gun under the spear, compile and save. Double click BP Weapon Gun. Add a variable. Name this Pick-Upable. Compile. Check the default value for pick-upable and compile and save. Double click BP Weapon Gun. I'm going to show how to program this blueprint. To get this node, highlight here and then add event and select this. This is a validated get. To get that, search for get weapon in hand, and then right click and convert to validated get. And I'm going to delete this because I've already got it here. You can drag this out from here. This is grip point here, and this is snap the target, snap the target, snap the target. This is shotgun ammo pickup queue. There wasn't a specific sound to pick up a weapon, so I'm using this sound. When you're done, compile and save. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Player. Double click BP Player Character. I'm going to move the Begin Play over here. I'm going to disconnect this pin. Connect this here. Now the init gun is disconnected. You can delete that if you want. I'm just going to leave it there. This is what the new init HUD looks like. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BP Player Character. I'm going to make changes to reload animation. Highlight this node and copy and paste. And connect this here and this here. Highlight this node, copy and paste, and connect this here and this here. And compile and save. Double click BP Player Character. I'm going to modify the Input Action Sheet blueprint. Copy this node and paste it. Connect this here and this here. Copy this node and paste it. Connect this here and this here. When you're done, compile, save. Double click BP Player Character. I added the drop weapon blueprint. When you press the letter E on the keyboard, the player will drop the weapon. I'm going to show how to get this. It's a validated get. So search for get weapon in hand, uncheck that, select this, so highlight the node and right click and convert to validated get. And there it is. I'm going to delete that because it's right here. This is shotgun ammo pickup Q. I'm using this sound effect for the drop weapon sound effect because there wasn't a specific sound effect for that. This is 300 here. So when you're done, compile and save. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Bot. Double click BP Bot Base. I added this blueprint, uncheck, pick upable. It connects to here. This unchecks the variable pick upable, and this prevents the player from picking up the weapon out of the hand of the bot. Double click BP Bot Base. Need to modify the D-Sheet FX blueprint. Copy the get child component and paste, and connect this here and this here, and compile and save. I'm going to press play to test. I'm going to grab this shotgun, the ammo. I'll load this. I'll shoot this guy. Now I'll drop the gun. Now I'm going to go grab this assault rifle and the ammo. Now I'll shoot this guy. Now I'll drop the gun, and I'll grab the gun again. So everything looks like it's working the way it should.